In this video, I'll be showing you how to use ChatGPT to learn a language. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, it's super easy to go ahead and do this. All I want to do is go ahead and open up the ChatGPT application, but you can do this on the website version as well, even if you're on a PC or laptop. Now, once you're here, all you want to go ahead and do is just tell ChatGPT what language you want to learn. So, for example, you could say something like, I have no experience in the Spanish language, so teach me like I'm a beginner. So once you type that in, it's gonna like basically set out a whole curriculum for you. It's gonna, just basically show you exactly what you're gonna be doing. So lesson 1, and it's gonna literally just go straight into it. It shows you exactly what to do, how to say each thing. For example, if I want to say goodbye, it shows me the Spanish spelling for it, but it also shows me how to say it. So I could start trying to say those out loud, and then I can also pair that up with Google Translate to make sure I'm saying it properly. And then it also shows like pronunciation basics, introducing yourself, in different ways as well. It's really good. So you can do this as lesson 1. Then when you're ready for lesson 2, just let it know that you want to do a lesson 2 now, once you're definitely happy with your progress in lesson 1. And then you can also ask it any more questions you want and learn any language you want to as well. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well.